Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create an NFT on OpenSea, specifically OS2. So first what we want to do is we'll need $5 worth of Ethereum. I'll show you how to get that, and then we will swap it into Polygon so we can get cheap gas fees. So we're going to want to go to our browser, and you're going to need MetaMask installed. You're going to either want to transfer some Ethereum over to MetaMask or go to buy and sell. Then on MetaMask you can connect your wallet. Then you can buy some Ethereum. You need about $5 worth or a little bit less. And then after we have done that, we want to go to a Bungie exchange here. And I'll just reload this. Then we want to connect our wallet. So we'll go use MetaMask. And our wallet is connected. So to just get this going, we need to switch this around, switch it back, and you're going to have Ethereum up here, and then we want to select Ethereum here. So Ethereum network and Ethereum coin, and then you want to go Polygon network and then Polygon coin, also known as Matic. Then you want to turn this on to get gas to do the transaction. You need to have this turned on unless you have some Matic in your MetaMask wallet, which most people won't. So you're going to want to go review root after that, after you put in the amount you want to transfer. And so just leave some Ethereum for gas. So don't transfer all of it, just transfer enough that you can get a little bit of Polygon on the Polygon network. It's really important that you get Polygon on the Polygon network, not Ethereum network. This will get you Polygon on the right network, and you're going to need just a little bit. It's about 1 cent to deploy a contract. Then we want to go up to OpenSea Studio and type that in, create your accounts and everything. Then we go to create and collection or item. And then you can choose your photo. We'll go create new collection over here. So what you want to do is choose your image. Collection name, I'll just call it AI. And then you can choose your token symbol. We want to go to here and select Polygon. That is important, and then go continue. So it will open up your MetaMask wallet. And then what you have to do is pay this network verification fee, which is a little bit of Pol, or under 1 cent is what it is equivalent to. That will come out of your MetaMask wallet on Polygon. So I'll just go cancel because I've already deployed a contract. And then, so basically once you've deployed your contract, you can go up to OpenSea Studio again, and you can go create your NFT, collection or item. You choose a collection, then you can choose your image, name, supply. I recommend 50 to 100. So, and then description, you can write that with ChatGPT or type it out. And then you'll link to Twitter or some other social media where you will promote this. You don't have to, but you probably should. So that's how you would create more of your NFTs. And then you can go to the OpenSea website or the OpenSea app, and you will see your NFT. You can go list item, and down here you can list it in WETH. You can list it for whatever amount of time you want. And basically you can list it for however much WETH you want, just maybe about 50 cents. It's probably recommended unless you've got a collection that will be popular. Then once you can choose how many to list. So you can just list all of them at once, or list them slowly depending on what you want. And once you've listed that, you can go to created and see how many you've sold. I have no sales yet because I just created this today, but that's pretty much it. So make sure you use Polygon network, bridge from Ethereum using Bungie. So that is really important that you use Bungie Exchange for cheaper fees. Don't bridge through MetaMask unless you have more money to bridge. And OpenSea is the biggest marketplace for trading NFTs and creating NFTs. And then hopefully that's it.